Hi there folks, Andrea Cox here with AndreaCox.com and Alkalize with Andrea Detox Juice Fast Yoga Raw Food Educational Retreats. I am here in my kitchen with all of you. Thank you so much for being here with me. I'm going to make my 2-ingredient smoothie, my favorite, all-time favorite smoothie for all of you. But first, I want to tell you guys about a little project that I'm really excited about, and I'll be sharing with you in the future, that involves combining spirituality, our intuition, intuitive eating, and detoxification all in one. So I just want to kind of put that out there into the universe, and God and all my angels are backing me on this project, and you guys are going to be really excited when you see what I'm creating. So here are the ingredients. We've got 3 trees organic almond milk, and I like the unsweetened vanilla. It's just got a little vanilla taste to it. I'm going to do about 2 cups in here, like so. Got the Vitamix that I cannot get clean to save my life. I've washed it. I just totally spilled that on the floor. That's hilarious. Then I have 6 dates. Yep, 6. Why? Because I don't count carbohydrates. I don't believe in counting carbohydrates. I don't think you should count carbohydrates. I think it's nonsense. I live on a high-carb diet. White rice, not brown, because of the phytates. Sweet potatoes, let's see, tons of fruits and vegetables. And that has kept me kicking, if I can just say so, ass, and taking names for quite a few years. Now, you'll definitely want to pit the dates, because you do not want to be eating or drinking, rather, a pit in a smoothie. Trust me, it'll give it a kind of a bitter taste. So definitely pit those dates, like so. Okay, we're going to do the happy dance for you. So excited. Going to turn this on. Whoa. Yeah. This will be over soon. Okay, now I like mine to be a little chunky, just like I like my men, a little chunky. I like mine, so this is so good, to be a little chunky. Oh, so good after a workout to refuel with this. It's so, oh my gosh, I have my health. I grabbed my health. I always write health and abundance on these glasses. This is so funny. Date almond milk, baby. Let's give it a name below. If you like this video, you know what to do. Subscribe above and definitely sign up for my newsletter on AndreaCox.com. Hey, on Facebook, Andrea Lee, L-E-I-G-H Cox, every Tuesday night at 6 p.m. Tasty Tuesdays. Join me. Be well.